Welcome to the Hanna 3 floor plan by Dryden Enterprises, where they'll be building this house in Hinesville, Little Wissy, Midway, and most likely other places in coastal Georgia. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. It features a formal dining room, across the hall is living room, an open concept kitchen, this plan comes with ample storage and countertop space. Has a pantry. Your half bath powder room. Downstairs laundry. Home has luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living area downstairs. And a lot of windows that bring in a lot of natural light. This is a coat closet. First bedroom, very spacious, can easily accommodate a queen size bed. Bedroom 2, spacious as well. Third bedroom is probably the smallest of the bedrooms. Full-size bed, should be able to get into there. Hall bath. And the master bedroom. King size bed should be able to fit with no problem. You have a separate tub, separate shower. You have separate sinks. Walk-in closet. Linen closet. Private room for the toilet. So this is the Hanna plan by Dryden Enterprises. For more information about this plan and others, give us a call at 912-980-6153, 912-980-6153, or check us out online at level10realestategroup.com. Contact us about incentives, special offers that you may qualify for, and let us show you how you can save money on a new construction home in the Hinesville, Fort Stewart area. Thank you.